Hello everyone. So in today's lecture, we are going to start with the how to create the Bootstrap menu bar. So to create the Bootstrap menu bar, first we have to copy the Bootstrap code. So for that, what I did, I created one HTML file and I make it ready. I gave the name as kk.html. Now first go to the Bootstrap website. So search for the Bootstrap and go to the first link. How to copy the link? Start and whatever the code will be there for CDN that you have to copy paste. So on the Bootstrap website in the start, this include Bootstrap, this you have to copy. Yesterday already I told, but just if anybody listening first time, for them I'm giving this. So this is my code is there. Now here, if you want, today I'm going to show you the customize and ready-made. Both I will show you. So to make the customize, first I will write the nav. First I will write the entire code, then I will make the look and feel to that. In the nav bar, first suppose example, I want the one my brand name. So I will write here, my brand name is PR software. Suppose example, imagine I don't want here name, I want here image instead of logo I can say. So I will write image src is equals to whatever the image name. Let us say my image name is, I copy and pasted the logo here guys. Already basic concept you already aware because we learn HTML and CSS. Here in this folder, I copy and pasted my logo, PR software logo. Just give the link here. That is PR logo.png. Already you know format. So my logo is there. Then I want to create the hyperlink. So how to create the hyperlink? I will create another list. In that, I will create the list element. First, I will write ahref blank home. Guys, I'm not using any bootstrap. This all the code is basic HTML code. How we create hyperlink? Similarly, you copy paste this 4 times. 1 time, 2, 3, 4. Means in my another list, see, first I took the navbar. In my navbar, I want logo, so I took the logo. Below the logo, we took another list, nothing but we want how many hyperlink, that many hyperlink I created. And change the name, home, about us, services, and contact. Like this, how many you want, you can write. Save. Right now, no bootstrap. Let us see how it looks like. So see, my logo is coming, my navbar. It is like very simple. We have not given any bootstrap. I will give one by one class and I will tell you how it will get changed. So if you want to use the navbar, you have to add the class called navbar. What class you will add? Navbar. Save and refresh again. See, automatically in the navbar, logo came this side, my data gone this side. Sir, it is looking very odd. Can I make it center? Means right side and left side, I want some space. So what you have to do guys, if you want the space, you have to use which tag? Container. Very good. Class is equals to container. And close the container. And this closing part will come where? At the end. Where navbar is closing here, below that you write this. So that what will happen? Your data will come left side and right side some space. Now, but this navbar is not looking good. So how can I do the change? So the first what I will do, navbar, here I will write one more concept called navbar. Then I will add here one more class, navbar expand sm. So when I write this class, automatically what will happen? You see here, my navbar came side by side. So these two things got completed. What is that? Navbar and navbar expand. Now what I want, this logo is there. For this logo, one ready-made class is there. That class is name is called navbar brand. Navbar brand. When I write this, you can see here some changes will happen here. Automatically, some space we got beside the logo part. Now to make the beautiful of this link, you come to the UL, you write one class. What is the class name you have to write? Now bar now. Save. When you write now bar now, you can say here this link suite got. Now compared to previous one, it is looking better, but our requirement is not like that. I want to make it little beautiful. So again, you should come inside your li and give one more class called now space now hyphen atom, and this now hyphen atom you have to copy paste for all. So write this same class for all the li. I'm telling you step by step, guys. While you are practicing also, you have to do step by step to understand what is what. So add all the navbar. This navbar also added. Save. Come here and refresh it. Okay, not much change because we have to add one more class, and that one more class where we will add inside this anchor tag, and the class name is what? Navbar link or nav link, I can say. Class nav link, and this you copy for entire four thing. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Save it, refresh. Now see, you are getting the proper tag. But sir, this color is not looking, it is looking completely odd. Can I make it some color? Come on the top. Here you write PG. You can write dark. Dark is nothing but you will get it black here. But I don't want black. I want here something different color. So I will write warning. You can say you got this color. So this menu is coming left hand side. If you want right hand side, you can add here ML auto. Let me refresh it once again. Now try with this auto. Okay. Actually, in the older version, guys, ML was working, but in latest version, MS you have to write MS auto. So now you see it is coming left side. If you don't want left right side, without that it will come right side. So like this, you can create your own now. So this is about, guys, completely manual process. Sir, what if I want complete automatic? So the simple thing, I will come. I hope first up to here you practice, guys. You can pause and up to here practice. Once you're done with the practice, then what you do? You remove this entire code. You remove this entire code. Nothing I want. Then again you create one div class container you create. Okay. Now I will take the ready-made code. How to take the ready-made code? Again, you go to the Bootstrap website. This is Bootstrap. Here you type navbar. Enter. So here in the navbar list, you come down. You will get some ready-made navbar. This is one navbar. There are different navbars are available. Okay. You can see here also one navbar is there like this. So whichever you like. Suppose I want first one only because here all the options are available. This is available. Copy this. Go to your page and in container just paste it in between. Save. Your work is done. Click here. You are getting this now. Sir, I want to change the background color. How we change there? Similarly, you can come here. This BG body already there. Remove this and change to warning because we made their warning. So warning is kept. Sir, you want to suppose example change the name. So already here you are having the name called. You can see here. First name is what here? Home is there. Let us home. Instead of link, you want second. Wherever this AHR is there, there you can change. Second, I want about us. Suppose come down, drop down is there. This is drop down means drop down menu. You don't want drop down menu, you can click here. From here to here, this code I don't know. Drop down will remove. Instead of disable, suppose you want services, you can write services. Save. refresh it. See, home about services. Services is deactivated. I don't want deactivate. Remove this class. That's it. Save services. Sir, I want to write one more name. You copy this li and paste it below. How many times you want? That many times. Instead of services, I want contact. You can add contact. You can see it. And you can observe the classes guide. Here now atom is there in my li. In A, now link. So whatever I told you manually, this is automatic process. Is it clear? So both manual and auto, you try. If any doubts are there, we'll discuss. If please like and subscribe my channel for more. Thank you for watching this.